Tired of mascara promises that fall flat? We've all been there, scrolling past claims of false lash effects that rarely deliver. But here's where it gets exciting. We've found a game changer that not only lives up to the hype, but does it for under £10. Meet the e.l.f. Incredi-Curl Mascara, a budget-friendly gem that's redefining what we expect from affordable beauty. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the price. It's about the performance that rivals high-end brands. Controversial opinion alert. Could this be the mascara that proves you don't need to splurge for stunning results? Let's dive in. When you've tested hundreds of beauty products year after year, you develop a healthy skepticism toward bold marketing claims. Will that retinol serum truly More often than not, the answer is a lukewarm maybe. Mascaras in particular are notorious for overpromising, especially when they claim to give you a false lash effect. But here's the truth. Most fall short. That's why discovering the e.l.f. Incredi-Curl Mascara felt like striking gold. It's not just good for the price, it's genuinely impressive. And at just £9, it's a no-brainer. Now let me be clear, I'm not against splurging on beauty products. I'll admit to swooning over the luxurious thickness of Dior's Dior Show Overvolume Mascara or the elegance of Gucci's L'Obscure Mascara. But as someone who's obsessed with finding beauty bargains that actually work, I've always believed that high street brands excel at mascaras more than any other makeup category. And e.l.f.'s Incredi-Curl Mascara is a shining example. No flaking or smudging. Say goodbye to panda eyes by midday. Lifts and curls like a pro. Even chronically straight lashes get a noticeable bend that holds all day. Zero clumping. Smooth application every time. Perfect consistency. Not too wet, not too dry, just right for mess-free use. While the brand emphasizes its curling power, rightly so, it's in the name. What truly impressed me was the lift it gives from the base of the lashes. As someone with naturally curly hair, my lashes aren't stick straight, but this mascara adds a dramatic curl that stays put. According to e.l.f.'s claims, it delivers a 102% improvement in curl. Via instrumental testing, and 88% of users saw bigger, bolder lashes in a consumer perception test. After trying it, I can confidently say, I agree. And here's the kicker, the bristle brush. I'm a bristle brush loyalist. They just work better for me, and this one is a dream. It grabs every lash, lifting from the root without tugging too hard. I've never been a fan of wands that simply glide over lashes, leaving them clumpy and uneven. This brush fans out lashes beautifully, creating a natural yet striking look. Plus, the vegan formula is lightweight, mess-free, and stays put all day with minimal flaking. But here's where it gets controversial. In a world where we're constantly told to invest in luxury beauty, does this £9 mascara challenge the notion that quality comes with a high price tag? Could it be that high street brands are the unsung heroes of the mascara world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to hear if you've tried it and what you think. About the author, Keeks Reid, beauty director at Cosmopolitan UK, is a hair enthusiast with a decade of experience in beauty journalism. From her early days at Black Hair and Hair magazines to her current role, she's a trusted voice in the industry. Follow her for more beauty insights and honest reviews that cut through the noise.